Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have owner-level access to the Adsense account because only owners can change primary contact details. Once done, decide whether you are changing the Google account email tied to Adsense or just the contact/payee email. Those are different paths. Make sure the new address is verified and has recovery methods set. This prevents lockouts. Now open your Adsense dashboard and go straight to Settings so you can begin the update without delays. You proceed by opening Settings, then choose Account or Payments depending on whether you change contact versus payee email. If it's the Google account address itself, switch to your Google account settings page and follow the secure change email flow. Adsense will reflect that change afterward. For payee or contact emails, edit directly in Adsense and submit. Make sure to click Save and then check the new inbox for verification. This step confirms ownership and completes the update sequence. You finish by confirming the new email appears in Adsense and that notifications arrive properly. Test login if you changed the Google account email. If you don't get a verification, resend it and inspect spam, filters, or forwarding rules. These commonly block confirmations. If the change is rejected or you lack permissions, gather your account ID and contact Adsense support for help. Remember, addressing verification and permission issues early prevents payment or access interruptions down the line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.